Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix scrolling problem in Microsoft Excel. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Microsoft Excel file, and first thing first, I'm going to show you my problem. So here I want to move from one cell to another with my arrow down button, but as you can see, I cannot move from one cell to another. And if you're facing this kind of problem, I'm going to show you how we can fix it guys. If you want to fix this problem, you can turn off the scroll lock button on your keyboard, but if you don't have scroll lock button on your keyboard, you can still access it with your on-screen keyboard. You just need to go to the start menu and then search for on-screen keyboard. Okay, and here you will be able to turn off the scroll lock button. You just need to click on the scroll lock button to turn it off. And after that, we will be able to scroll the Microsoft Excel with our arrow down button. Like this. As you can see, I can move from one cell to another cell with my arrow down button on my keyboard. Alright guys, and that's all the way to fix scrolling problem in Microsoft Excel. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.